Kago the cartoon cat had always dreamed of exploring space. One sunny morning, after reading about the wonders of the universe, Kago decided it was time to embark on an epic adventure. He climbed into a shiny rocket, and with a mighty roar, the rocket blasted off from Earth, soaring into the vastness of space. As Kago's rocket ascended, it passed through the layers of Earth's atmosphere. The rocket pierced the ozone layer, a protective shield that absorbs most of the sun's harmful ultraviolet radiation. Kago looked out of his window in awe, as the sky changed from blue to the inky blackness of space. Kago gazed back at Earth, and was captivated by its breathtaking beauty. The blue oceans, swirling white clouds, and vast green and brown landscapes looked like a magnificent marble floating in the darkness. This view filled Kago with a sense of wonder and excitement for the journey ahead. The rocket gently touched down on the Moon, Earth's only natural satellite, located about 1 astronomical unit from the Sun. 1 astronomical unit is the approximate mean distance between Earth and the Sun, about 150 million kilometers, or 8 light minutes. It is usually used to describe distances within our solar system. Kago marveled at the Moon's rocky surface, covered in craters from ancient impacts. He bounced around in the low gravity, feeling as light as a feather. After a fun-filled day, Kago boarded his spaceship, ready for the next part of his journey. Kago's spaceship zoomed towards Venus, the second planet from the Sun. Located about 0.72 astronomical units, Venus is covered in thick clouds of sulfuric acid, making it the hottest planet in our solar system. The surface temperature is hot enough to melt lead. Kago observed the swirling clouds and learned that Venus has a rocky landscape, hidden beneath its toxic atmosphere. Next, Kago visited Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun. Located about 0.39 astronomical units. Mercury is a small, rocky planet with extreme temperatures. During the day, it's scorching hot, while the nights are freezing cold. Kago marveled at the planet's many craters, similar to those on the Moon. Kago's spaceship then took a daring trip around the Sun. The Sun is a massive ball of burning gas, primarily hydrogen and helium. Its surface is incredibly hot, reaching temperatures of about 5,500 degrees Celsius, while the core can reach approximately 15 million degrees Celsius. The Sun's intense heat is generated by nuclear fusion, a process where hydrogen atoms combine to form helium, releasing a tremendous amount of energy in the form of light and heat. The light it emits supports life on Earth. Kago felt the intense heat even from a safe distance, and he was glad his spaceship was well protected, capable of withstanding temperatures up to 2,000 degrees Celsius only. Leaving the inner solar system, Kago passed Earth once more, waving at his home planet before heading to Mars. The red planet, located about 1.52 astronomical units. Mars is a cold, rocky world with towering volcanoes and deep canyons. Kago imagined what it would be like to explore its dusty surface. Kago's journey took him next to Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, located about 5.2 astronomical units. Jupiter is a gas giant, mostly made of hydrogen and helium. Its swirling clouds and the Great Red Spot, a giant storm, fascinated Kago. He then traveled to Saturn, famous for its stunning rings, made of ice and rock particles, located about 9.58 astronomical units. Kago admired the ring's beauty and the many moons orbiting Saturn. Kago's spaceship flew further to Uranus, an icy gas giant located about 19.22 astronomical units. Uranus has a blue-green color due to methane in its atmosphere and rotates on its side, making it unique among the planets. Next was Neptune, the farthest planet from the Sun. Located about 30.05 astronomical units. Neptune is also a gas giant, with strong winds and a deep blue color. Kago was amazed by its dynamic atmosphere. Finally, Kago reached Pluto, once considered the ninth planet. Located about 39.5 astronomical units. Pluto is a small, icy world in the Kuiper Belt, a region of the solar system beyond Neptune. Kago explored its frozen surface, filled with mountains and plains. As Kago prepared to leave Pluto, he looked back in the direction of Earth. From this great distance, Earth was just a tiny, dim blue spot in the vastness of space. The sight made Kago feel both small and incredibly adventurous. He was fascinated by the enormity of the universe, and how much more there was to explore. As Kago's journey through the solar system came to an end, he looked back at the planets he had visited. His curiosity was piqued, knowing that beyond Pluto and the Kuiper Belt, the mysteries of outer space were waiting to unfold. The adventure wasn't over, it was just beginning. What's out there, beyond our solar system? Kago wondered with excitement. He was determined to find out, and so he set his sights on the stars, ready for his next thrilling adventure. Stay tuned for the next episode. Kago's journey beyond the Kuiper Belt.